So I'm Mohit Shetty. I'm a co-founder in a tax and litigation firm that we run out of Andheri in Bombay. So I first heard about this product, the NUOS Touchless thermal scanner, through a friend, and then decided to use it simply because the handheld device was becoming a slight issue in terms of operating it with a person standing close to someone else. Also, it seemed to be very intrusive. So now it's been about 3 weeks. I got it installed at just outside the office unit as well as at an industrial estate gala that an uncle had. And we both had very similar experiences, which is it's made the whole process very humanless, which means that you don't have to ask a person to stop and wait while you scan them. And even when a client walks in, it become a lot easier to just request him to stand in front of the device. So we've had a great experience up until now, and hopefully it keeps us COVID safe.